Hello and welcome to Lesson 4, page 43. This is the song titled Yucky Waltz in our Level 1 book. And this is one of my favorite titles in the Mayrinkle book, Yucky Waltz. What a fun one. And we are still reviewing the notes C and D. Remember, C is our line note, has that ledger line going right through it. Remember, a ledger line is the lines we draw above or below the staff. And our D is a space note right here, in that space right above C. But look what happens in this song. We have a C and D right next to each other. And if you remember from a previous song, Switch Engine, it had notes like this, which meant to play it at the same time, which is exactly what this means. This is a little different though. We're seeing this for the first time. These are dotted half notes together. And remember, it's still just 3 beats because we're playing them at the same time. So we play C and D, and we hold them down for 3 beats. Okay? Well, let's do some review of our symbols we need for this song. And remember, we're just using middle C, the first white key under the group of 2 black keys. And then right next to C, we have D. Okay? Very good. And you can use any 2 fingers for this song. I'm going to use a 5-finger pattern with my thumb and my pointer finger for this one. All right, so back to our symbols we have right here. Probably getting really good at this now if you've been watching my other videos. This is the treble clef. And treble clef, remember, means to use our right hand. That's why it says right hand music. And next to our treble clef, we have the time signature. And let's review what the time signature means. The top number tells us how many beats are in a measure. Remember, a measure is created using 2 bar lines. And the bottom number tells us what type of note gets the beat. And a 4 means a walk note or a quarter note. So we need to have at least 3 walk notes in every measure, or something that's equal to 3 walk notes. Like this measure is 3 walk notes, and this is 3 beats because it's a dotted half note worth 3 beats. So our measures are following the rules in this song. Very good. Okay, well, let's take a look at our rhythms. We have walk notes and dotted half notes, and that's actually the only rhythms we use in this song. So our first line, we play walk, 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 hold, 2, 3, and look at your notes. We have C that goes up to a D, then stays on that D, and then we play C and D together for 3 beats. Let's try that nice and slow together. 1, 2, 3, here we go. Play C, D, D, together, 2, 3, and off. Excellent work. And now line 2 has the same exact rhythms with 3 walk notes and a dotted half note, but don't let the notes fool you. We start with a D this time, then go down to 2 middle Cs, okay? And then we play our notes together. So it looks exactly the same, but remember, it is a little different. Don't let your eyes play tricks on you. We have D, C, C, and then together for 3. Let's play that nice and slow together. 1, 2, 3, line 2, play, D, C, C, together, 2, 3, and off. Great work. And the third line, we have 3 walk notes, but we're playing C and D together. And then next we play C, D, back down to C. So we want to make sure we have our eyes on our music and we're watching which note should be played when. So don't let these little movements from C to D trick you, okay? Line 3, here we go, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, line 3, play. Together, 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 C, D, C. Excellent work. In our last line, we play the same thing together, 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 and then a dotted half note C to end the song. Let's practice our last line, and then we'll do our full song playthrough. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, last line, play. Together, 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 C. 2, 3, and off. Great work. Now let's go back to the beginning of our song and do our first full performance of Yucky Waltz. 1, 2, 3, here we go. Play C, D, D, together, 2, 3. Line 2, D, C, C, together, 2, 3. Line 3, together, 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 C, D, C, together, 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 C, 2, 3, and off. Congratulations on completing the song Yucky Waltz, and I will see you on the next song.